Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Track1099 app and reconcile first, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Track1099 app, start by locating the app on your device. If you're using an Android device, open the app drawer to find the Track1099 icon. Press and hold the Track1099 app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or drag the icon to the remove option at the top of your screen. Confirm your decision by tapping OK when prompted. For iOS devices, find the Track1099 app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it begins to wiggle. Tap the X that appears in the corner of the app icon. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete from the prompt. Now that the app is uninstalled, it's time to reconcile your account. Start by logging into your Track1099 account on a web browser. Navigate to your account settings and locate the reconciliation section. Review your transactions to ensure everything matches your financial records. If you find discrepancies, make note of them for further investigation. Once reconciled, download any necessary tax documents for your records. Make sure to save them in a secure location for future reference. After reconciling, it's wise to review your financial situation. Adjust your budget or financial plan based on your findings. Finally, ensure all your tax filings are completed and submitted on time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.